Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway. I'm giving away hundreds of gift cards to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those things, and let's get into the video. Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial today, I'm going to be showing you how to get Sims 4 packs for free. You can get every single DLC expansion pack for Sims 4 using a working code, and this is working on all platforms, guys. So this is working on Xbox, PlayStation, PC, Steam, Mac. And these packs are really expensive, each one costing around $40 US. And there are so many packs, it would literally cost you thousands. So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to get Sims 4 packs for free, and that is every single one. So as you can see here, guys, I'm using my mobile phone, and I recommend you do this as well on your mobile. It makes the process easier. Doesn't matter which phone you have, and you just need to head on over to this website, www.coldcoupons.com. So as you can see, guys, you just got to type it like this, and it's going to take you to this website here. Now when you reach this website, you're going to be greeted by loads of different pages. They have codes for loads of different games. So what you're going to want to do is go to the top of the screen where it says search here, and just type Sims 4 and it should pop up, guys. There is only one available code, and this code, if you scroll down, is the free packs code. This is get all DLCs for free. And as you can see, guys, this has been used thousands of times and it is really popular. So click on get code, and this confirms your choice. 53 people are using it as of today's date. Today alone, there are like 4,900 almost 5-star ratings. So click on show full code, and this is gonna allocate you a code. And like I said, guys, this is simple. You enter it in your platform store. So if you play on PlayStation, you enter this in the PSN store and it's going to get you all the packs. So it says your code will be revealed after verification and your code is hidden. Now this does limit one code per person, and I've already done this, so I'm going to skip past that step. But basically, guys, you need to click on get full code and just follow the instructions on the next screen. Long story short, you need to complete a couple of free tasks. They're really easy. You just need to follow the instructions. And if you do that, your code will be unlocked in this box. And these are limited codes. As you can see, there's 740 left. So if you do everything correctly, it will give you one of those codes and you can redeem it. And that is how to get Sims 4 packs for free. And that is working in 2025 on all platforms. So it's very important you do just go to Cold Coupons, and then when you go to the Sims page, do make sure you follow all of the instructions to unlock your Sims 4 packs code. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe for more awesome Sims tutorials and other game tutorials, and I'll see you in my next upload. Peace out, guys.